Good morning, YouTube. You know what happens when life hands you lemons? You make lemon sorbet. It only takes a few minutes, but you're gonna love it. I promise that. All right, let's cook, y'all. All right, so we're starting our lemon sorbet, and over here I'm zesting lemons. But in the meantime, while I'm doing this work, I'm gonna start our simple syrup, which is forms the base of any sorbet, right? So what I've got is 2 cups of plain old sugar, just boom, like that. And I'm adding 2 cups of water, just 50-50. I'm gonna put this on the stove, I'm gonna bring it up to a boil and give it a stir just to dissolve the sugar. So I'm gonna let this keep perking over here. There. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna get about 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, which is usually about 2 lemons worth. I might go for a 3rd lemon. Then I'm gonna start squeezing. Okay, so real quick, still in the process of juicing my 1,000 billion lemons. Actually, it's about 12. Our, what is this? Simple syrup came up to a boil and all the sugar has fully dissolved. As you can see, can you see that? Okay, so we're gonna throw that simple syrup in the refrigerator and let it start cooling down. I'm probably gonna pour it in another container because you want your base, your sorbet base, to be as cool as possible when you put it in the ice cream maker, right? So here we go. We're transferring our sugar to a glass container. Get it out of that hot middle one.
Sugar water.
It is sugar water. It's called simple syrup. So we're gonna throw this in the fridge and we're gonna go back to juicing our lemons. Alrighty, so we kept squeezing until we've got 2 full cups of lemon juice. And we have our ice cream maker set up. This is the insert I've had in the freezer since yesterday, so it is super cold. And the first thing we're gonna do is strain our lemon juice because it's full of lemon seeds. And instead of worrying about them individually as I'm juicing the lemons, I just strain it out at the end. And that's all there is to that part. So, boom. I'm gonna put my ice cream maker back together. And theoretically, that's that. There we go. All right. So here's our lemon zest. Right there. We're dropping that right in the top. And we're gonna get our simple syrup. Simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water. Which actually, this is a pretty good ratio for lemonade. Equal parts sugar, water, and lemon juice. Minus the zest. That's how my grandfather made lemonade. Love that stuff. Okay, so here, this is it. This is all we're doing. Not a whole lot to look at. This is going to take at least 30 minutes, so I'm going to just let it sit here and do its thing for that much time. I'm just showing. We're about halfway through the churning. It's been about 15 minutes, and it's starting to develop the texture. I had nothing else to say about it. I just find it exciting. All right, so our ice cream maker has been going for a little over 30 minutes. And your ice cream, or your sorbet rather, we're making sorbet. It's not done. It's gonna be super soft and slushy. So really, at the moment, you have a lemonade slushy. See, just like that. So we're transferring it to a big container and we are going to stick this in the freezer to firm up as soon as I can find, there we go. So we're gonna give this some time to firm up, and because we can, we're gonna sneak a taste. Ooh. Yep. All right, now we have to be patient. Dang it. All right, I'm having to move kind of fast because the kids have decided or discovered rather, that I've got cakes in the works and that there's sorbet and I'm losing everything because of it. So anyway, here is our sorbet. It's been in the freezer for about 3 hours, right? So it's firming up. It will continue to get harder the longer it stays in the freezer. So here we go. Ooh, that's perfect. You can see the lemon zest in there. Ricky and Kinsley are having like a slow motion choreographed battle behind me in silence. Oh, y'all. I'd rather have that than lemonade every day. It's good. Wow. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.